In this video, we listed the 5 best DTF printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. F13 Panda DTF Printer. The Procolored L1800 JZ DTF Printer is a high-performance inkjet printer designed for efficiency and precision in printing. Featuring USB connectivity and a portable design, it supports color printing at a maximum speed of 1 ppm, suitable for both monochrome and color outputs. The printer boasts a built-in cutter to save film and facilitate seamless operation, ideal for handling larger projects with its 13-inch maximum printing width and 1 meter maximum print length. It incorporates an innovative siphon filtration diaphragm pump to prevent print head clogs, ensuring smooth printing experiences. With an ultra-clear 5760x1440 dpi resolution and 6-color printing capability, it delivers superior print quality, capturing vibrant hues and intricate details with accuracy. The printer includes an automatic cleaning system for hassle-free maintenance, operational even during use, supported by a comprehensive warranty policy covering the print head and accessories for up to 2 years. Number 2. A3 DTF Printer. The Sonoran A3 L1800 DTF Transfer Printer is designed to revolutionize printing with its advanced DTF technology, offering a faster and superior alternative to traditional DTG printers. Key features include high-speed printing capabilities, 100% transfer efficiency onto various materials like t-shirts using PET film and a heat press, and vibrant color reproduction. It boasts an automatic cleaning system, 2 feeding modes, and supports a range of materials from fabric to polyester. Equipped with an advanced white ink circulation and stirring system, it minimizes clogging and ensures consistent printing quality. This user-friendly printer promises efficiency and versatility across diverse printing applications, backed by professional after-sales support for seamless customer experience. Number 3. Lexmark MS431DW Laser Printer. The Lexmark MS431DW is a robust monochrome laser printer designed for efficiency and convenience. It offers versatile connectivity options including Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB, making it adaptable to various office environments. Key features include high-speed printing at up to 42 pages per minute, automatic duplex printing for cost and paper savings, and a compact size that fits almost anywhere with dimensions of 14.3 inches deep by 14.5 inches wide by 8.7 inches high. Built with a durable steel frame and long-life imaging components, it ensures reliability and longevity. The printer supports a wide range of media sizes from A6 to legal, and includes advanced security features to safeguard sensitive information. Ideal for small to medium-sized businesses, it combines ease of use, sustainability with energy-saving modes, and connectivity, making it a practical choice for modern office printing needs. Number 4. Lancelot A3 DTF Printer. The Lancelot L1800 Sheet DTF Printer is a specialized inkjet printer designed for direct-to-fabric printing. It connects via USB and features a refillable ink system, making it economical for high-volume printing. This printer is optimized for various fabrics like cotton, polyester, leather, and more, offering versatility in applications from clothing to accessories. It boasts a maximum print speed of 6 ppm in color and 10 ppm in monochrome, with dimensions of 31.1 inches depth by 9 inches width by 13 inches height. Its advanced features include a white ink stirring and circulatory system for consistent results without pre-treatment, and it supports printing on both sheet and roll materials up to A3, A4 size, reducing common paper jam issues. Designed for user-friendly operation, it simplifies setup and maintenance, making it suitable for beginners. However, it's important to note it only supports Windows operating systems, the 7th of October 11, not Mac, and comes with professional after-sales technical support for ongoing assistance. Number 5. EnjoyColor A3 DTF Printer. The EnjoyColor A3 is an inkjet printer designed for DTF, direct-to-film, printing, featuring advanced technology aimed at enhancing user convenience and print quality. It supports USB connectivity and boasts a special refillable feature, emphasizing its cost-effectiveness. With a focus on maintaining smooth operations and minimizing nozzle blockages, it incorporates white ink mixing and circulation systems along with automatic cleaning functions. The printer supports both roll and sheet printing up to 13 inches wide, ideal for versatile printing needs from mass production to on-demand tasks. Utilizing a L1390 L1806 color print head, it offers high-resolution 1440 by 720 dpi for vibrant and accurate colors, including white ink backgrounds for various items like garments, pillows, and masks. The package includes essential accessories such as DTF film, ink, and software, backed by a warranty on non-consumable parts and print heads, ensuring reliability and support for users.